To this, yeah, this is giver rice. Yeah. So we cut with the side, like we didn't use the machine, by hand, as you see in our photo. And this one, when we cut it, we wrap with bamboo stick again, and we have a plastic mat on, and we hit. We have some old video and some photo in our website that you can help us to hit, to remove the rice from the stalk. And then to remove the skin, we put into the machine to peel it. Yeah, we cannot peel one by one, it takes forever. So this, to know, like when we grow the rice, we have to make sure, like with the skin on, for example, this base, we're gonna grow sticky rice, for example, like this part, we're gonna grow sticky rice. When we harvest the rice, we have to separate them, because you cannot tell the difference between normal rice or sticky rice. It doesn't say, the leaf, everything exactly the same. You have to know by yourself which one is sticky rice. You have to separate everything. Yeah, we plant sticky rice, and this is the normal white rice. Yeah. See, but when you have the rice like that, you don't know which one is sticky rice. You have to peel it. Open your hand. You peel it, and then you see this. Oh, it goes somewhere. Oh my! It turned very white. If you open it, it is very, very white. That means sticky rice. That's the only thing you can tell when you peel it. So here everyone tried to help us pulling the rice to grow for the day after tomorrow.
What do we know?
Yeah, and now you hit them if there's a lot of mud on your feet. Yeah.
So this ready to harvest? No, it's ready to plant. Oh, so you take this with the triangle here? Yeah, I can normally get little boxes. This little box.
Brand new farmer. Okay, and now no more mud, then you try to tie with the bamboo stick.
You want to try this one too?
Yeah, put them together. Yeah. Remember when I show you how to do it?
So it's more stable, the roots are drier. If they're wet and all the dirt washes away, you throw that mechanically to the roots.
Twist it. Yay! Good job! Show me your rice! Yay!
I should work here.